What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Rapier of Amity in Crimson Desert. For this one, just prepare a mask in case you're required to steal it. Here's another attack speed based rapier for Damien with 15 points in attack and a level 1 attack speed bonus. It's got no abyss gears, but it has 3 empty slots for you to customize later. You'll find the weapon inside Brookfield Marketplace, directly on the upper right of the last letter S of Deminis. Zoom in and it's right around this area, exactly where I added a new marker. Just a note, depending on where you are in the game's progression, the area might either be hostile or safe, so you might need to clear some enemies and steal the rapier, or buy it if the area is liberated. When you arrive from the main road, look to your left and you'll see this pigsty. Climb over the fence and move towards the chicken shed to your left. Behind it is the rapier lying on the ground. Either buy it or equip your mask and steal it depending on your circumstance. After that, the rapier is all yours. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.